Hello everybody and welcome to Chat from the Engineering Desk. So continuing on with the series of the rechargeable lamps. Here we've got another one. So I hope you're all doing very well today. Had a great weekend and so on. This is just after the previous weekend that you're seeing this. So here's another lamp. I've got the usual device installed on the back to make it work, and I've had it in the vise. I've already vandalized it because it's got a fair bit of hot snot holding it together. So there's a board which has got a BP2863 over there, and over here it has a QW2881, which is a chip that runs the one circle of LEDs off the battery, and then the bright power runs the other circle of LEDs off the mains, and there's the inductor for the bright power. So if I fire it up, the inner ring of lights comes on when running it off the battery. So there's a battery over there plugged in, and that's a chip. It's got the remains rectification built into it as well. So see what's underneath here. I'm using the wrong tool. It is hot snot absolutely everywhere. So there's a purple battery down the bottom. Is liberated. Twisting motion. What do we got? 1.2 ampere hour. Like so. Some wires going to the base. With a little bit of damage to them from the battery squashing against them. Down the bottom there, like that. This is one of the sort of mid-range priced lamps. The aluminium is bent because I had it in a vise. It still works. So this is very minimalist, and it works. Yep. And yeah, I'd say it's okay. It's got known electronics on it. It's okay stuff. So I guess so this one's okay. There's the resistors for the current limiting, all on battery operation over there. In a loop, not tell you what the values are. Oh no. Yeah, that's not working too well. Show you guys get to see that. No, it's not working. That's okay. It's one of them. So that's it. Just a quick one. Sort of a, I would say, $6 or $7 lamp. Now, power wise, 15 watts. Yeah, not bad. One could do things like fit a better battery and so on, and then it's useful. So that was that. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for being here. Wish you a pleasant day and a wonderful week further. And I'll see you for more, ladies and gentlemen. Take care and goodbye.